Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to mod Steam games. Beginner's Guide. Modding Steam games can enhance your gaming experience by adding new features, content, or improving visuals. Here's a beginner's guide to help you get started with modding Steam games. Modding through Steam Workshop. Many Steam games support modding directly via Steam Workshop, which makes it simple to install and manage mods. Now, here are the steps to install mods via Steam Workshop. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to mod and click on it. Click on Workshop if it's available. Go to Browse, then in drop down menu, click on Mods to browse through available mods. You can also search for specific mods or sort by categories. Click on the mod you want to install, then click the subscribe button. Once subscribed, Steam will automatically download the mod for you. The mod will be installed the next time you launch the game. Now, let us start to launch the game. Start your game to see if the mod is working. Some games may require you to activate the mod within the game's settings or mod manager. By following this guide, you can start modding your favorite Steam games and enjoy custom content and enhance gameplay. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.